Hello data enthusiast, welcome back to our Tableau tutorial series. Today we are unraveling the key difference between alerts and subscription in Tableau. This is the most important topic which is asked into the interview and helps in practically as well whenever you are working on a Tableau server level activities. Before we dive into this comparison, be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all things Tableau provides. Also, stick around for some exciting news at the end for those who are looking to embark on a data analyst journey. Let's get started. Alerts and subscription. In Tableau, server distinct purposes. Alerts and subscription in Tableau serves distinct purpose. Let's clarify about the distinctions. So the first thing is alerts. Alerts are your watchdogs. Whenever a threshold is met, they are fired. It is not timely based, it is an event based situation which is going to be triggered. Okay, they notify you when a specific data conditions are met. So if you want to get a profit which is greater than 15,000 or 30,000 or 1 lakh rupees in a period of 1 week, 1 day, 1 month, whatever you set, and when that threshold is met, it will be triggering a alert. Okay, it enables the proactive monitoring of critical changes. Now subscription, what is subscription? Subscriptions are all about staying informed. It just keep your users informed about the situations into the business. They provide regular updates about your Tableau content. Okay, perfect for keeping stakeholders informed without the need of constant checking. Okay, let's discuss when to use each. Use alerts when immediate action is needed based on the condition. Whenever you want to check that, okay, if a price of a particular product is dropped into the stock market, I want to buy it. That is your action. When you see a situation, you want to enter into the market, so at that time alert will be an helpful thing. Now what is subscription? Subscriptions are ideal for routine updates on a specific content. So it is like a daily or a weekly magazine we have into our colleges or schools. The same way it serves the purpose. It just give us the information, nothing exciting. It will just keep on such a regular reports or summaries, keeping everyone informed effortlessly. Okay, now, here is some exciting news. Data analyst is a new trend in the IT industry. We are offering a comprehensive 3 months online data analyst course with a free demo classes on every Saturdays and Sundays from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's your chance to dive into the exciting field, and I'm very excited to see you on board. In summary, understanding alerts versus subscription in Tableau is a crucial effective data management. Alerts keep you vigilant and proactive. Alerts keep you proactive, vigilant and proactive, while subscriptions keep you and your stakeholders informed without the need for constant checking. So, choose wisely and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Tableau insights and tutorials. Okay, we will be discussing it what exactly the alerts and subscriptions are. So here we will be what is alert is an event based situation. Whenever a particular situation happens, a trigger happens, we will be doing some action on that particular thing. So if we are checking or we are tracing or tracking a particular price of a product, and we create an alert or notify, in most of the time we create an alert onto the Amazon, like I want to buy this product. When the price drops, let notify me. Or when I want to buy a most of the time it happens then when we want to buy a phone onto the Amazon, we create a notify option. What is that? That is nothing but an alert. Okay, whenever the phone is available, when the stock comes in, you will be notified. That is an alert which we are creating. Now talking about the second part, that is the subscription. So subscription is you when you subscribe to something. Okay, like we are subscribing to a magazine or a newspaper digitally. Okay, when we subscribe to it, we get the notification or we get the newsletters daily, weekly, or monthly about any topic or any particular genre which we have selected. So that is the difference between subscription and alert. We will be again going deep dive inside what is no subscription and alert. We will see a practical example of it. I have seen a video available onto the internet, so I want to share that video with you. Okay, here I'll show you this. I'll increase the speed first and then I will show you the quality. I'll increase. Okay, so now this is here. If you see, we have watch. So here if we click, I'll just go back for some time. Okay, then we'll see it again. I'm so sorry. We'll go back and we'll see it how the alerts and subscriptions are created onto the Tableau server. So here we have watch and subscription and alert option available, which we can select either of them. So first of all, we will select the subscription. When we select the subscription, there are multiple steps available. So we need to add the subscribe user, how many users we want to add. We can add those users here, over here. Okay, then we will give the names and the groups if we want to add. Then if the creator wants to subscribe to this particular subscription, then also I can check it and I will be subscribed. Then if the include this view, now it will include this view or it will have some other views. Okay, so here we can have more than one view. The entire view or the current view. Okay, then we have the format. So format is for the images. Whatever format you want to select, you can select it over here. We have image PDF and image PDF both. Okay, we can select that. Then we have the next option, that is subject. Okay, so in subject, whatever you want to write about, like this is category wise sales. Okay, subcategory wise sales, so you can write subcategory wise sales data reports. Whatever you want to write, you can write that. Okay, these are the three options which are available over here. We can select either of them, and we will be writing a message which is completely optional. If we want to give a descriptive information about what exactly the report and the sales is, we will be writing that description. Then we want to schedule it, so schedule comes like an alarm we create, so that will be created. Okay, and once that is done, we can go and validate it onto the Tableau, onto the sheet where we are having the dashboards and reports. So we can validate that over there. Okay, I'll just fast forward it so that we can check it. And the schedule is nothing but the alarm point where we can select the alarming point, like I want to get only on Sundays, only on Mondays between 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. like this, and we can subscribe it. Once that is done, we can go to our dashboards where we have created. We can go to subscriptions point, and then over here we can see that the alert, the subscription which we have created. Now in when we subscribe to it, when we can, if we have added ourselves, we will get a notification onto our emails, and from actions point we can see these are the options which are available for change frequency and unsubscribe and change subject. If you want to do some alteration, we can do those alteration from action part. Okay, action part onto the Tableau server. Okay, this is my subscription part. Now we will be moving on to the alerts part. So in the alerts part, what exactly I have mentioned is it will notify you when a threshold is met. Okay, so we will be clicking on to the watch again. That is the first step. The second step is we will be writing it. Okay, we will be writing it what exactly about the alert is. So we'll be writing, see, we have clicked on create alert. We'll write the condition, we'll select the condition, then we will give the threshold value. When the threshold value is met, it will notify us. Okay, we will be writing the subject, and we want when the condition is true, send an alert. Okay, so at most daily. Okay, we are selecting that and we are adding the recipients. So recipients are those who will be getting this information. So I have added a one user. Now as you can see, this data is already, this sales data is already greater than 16,000, oh sorry, 12,000. So this is created. Okay, and the other part which I would like to show you is this about, yes, this here. If you see, we have remove, edit, change and delete options available whenever an alert is created. Okay, so we can go back and check out those points as well. Now this is the part of the alert and the creation of your subscription. Now moving on, we will be looking what all steps are involved in it, so that we can give a good answers to the interviewer, or we can understand it in a better way, like what are the options available. So when we create a subscription, there is a first is you subscribe user. So what all the recipients will be, we will be adding those recipients, and this is the section where we will be adding the users. Then the second part is include. It will include, will have two options, this view or the entire view, or the entire workbook we want to add into the view. Because see, whenever a subscription is created, it will have only a image, it will not have a look like where we can click on something and get the details. No, we can't do that. So it will take a snapshot of your dashboard, and then it will share it to the teams who are in or who are in the group, or who are subscribed to that particular dashboard. Okay, so for that purpose, here it is giving an option as this view or the entire workbook. Now the third point is format. Now format is either you can select PDF, or either you can select image, or you can select both. Now the fourth point is subject. So it in this subject we will write the description about the dashboards or the reports which we are going to be creating. Okay, then we will be writing the schedule. Okay, so what is the schedule, at what time interval you want that to be published. So we will have it repeat option first, where we will be writing it daily, or if we want to write it for, if we want to do the subscription for every day, we will be writing every day, and then we will be selecting the time, we will be selecting the on days, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, and then time zone, we will be definitely will be selecting the time zone as well for creating the subscription, so that at that particular time this particular information will be shared with all the stakeholders or all the team members. Okay, now I'll tell you what is the importance of subscription. See, whenever we create a dashboard or a report, we publish it onto the server. Okay, if we are not publishing it onto the server, we are keeping it locally, then it will become my liability, it will become my responsibility as a Tableau developer to share it with others or the higher level management. So how will I do? I will share individually, or if I create a group of them and I will share, or I will share the updates every day, that is not possible, that is not humanly possible to share it exactly at the same time. Okay, and it might cause me some time to log in, or someday I will be sick, someday I will be on holiday. So in that situation, it will be an automated system which will be sending out the details every interval which we will be fixing. So that is the best use case for subscription. Now we can validate the subscription on dashboards subscription section. As we mentioned, like we can validate into the dashboard section, we can go over there and we can have the options to subscribe, unsubscribe it, and do the changes like editing the subject, and we want to do some changes, we can go into the action part and we can do that changes for subscription. Now talking about the other part, that is alerts, how we create alerts. So alert is nothing but simple option, we go to the watch option and we click on that, we receive three options. The first one is subscription and the last one is alert. So we'll click on the option as alert. Once we click on it, we will get a pop-up where we will be adding the values. So condition, the first one is above or equal, we will be selecting that. Then we will be writing the threshold value. Okay, so what is the threshold we want to add? So if we are having a sales board where I want, when my sales go above 12,000, i want to get I want to get notified, or I want my stakeholders to be notified, okay, that our profit has increased. Okay, that is one scenario. The second scenario is if I have a product which is now whose sales is going down, who is selling very slow. So I want to notify about that. Okay, if the sales go, last week the sales was 1000 units, now the sales went to 500 units. Okay, so now I want uh, my management to highlight this, that okay, this product is not performing well, we need to do some research and some analysis and do some R&Ds on the product and market it in a such a way that it should get a higher customers. Okay, uh, it should get a higher footfall. So in that situation, we will be creating an alert so that it will be triggering to the higher management that okay, this product, there is some serious condition with this, or okay, we need to do something for this product to make it more sustainable. So that for that particular reason, we will be creating an alert. Okay, so we will be setting up a threshold value. If the threshold value is exceeded or met, we will be getting an alert. Okay, then the second point is subject. We can write a subject about the description, that what about what exactly this alert is about. We'll give that subject. Okay, then we will be having about the recipients. So all the recipients whom we want to be keep notified about, will be adding over here. We will be adding those users over here. Then we will be having, once the alert is created, once we will be creating recipients. After recipients are added, we will be creating that alert. Once the alert is created, we can see if the threshold is met, we all will get, who are into the recipients list, will be getting an email with the details about the particular threshold is met. Okay, now the second part is if we want to update an alert, how we can do it. Once the alert is created, we can have an option. We will click onto that particular alert and we will see these four options, that is remove, edit, change owner and delete. Okay, these are the options which are available for the alerts. Okay, that's all guys for today. I hope you have understood the importance of alerts and subscription. If you have not subscribed us, please do subscribe. If you have any queries, any questions or any doubts, let me know in the comment box and I will be replying back as early as possible. That's all for today. Thank you so much guys. That's all.